students, in this video I am explaining one more trigonometric question. Let's see how to solve. So here 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta minus 4 sin square theta cos square theta. So this is in the form of a plus b, a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So 1 square is 1 only, minus cos square 2 theta. Minus this I am arranging like this, 2 sin theta cos theta whole square. Okay, this is nothing but sin 2 theta whole square. So I am taking minus, say one more step I will write, and minus I take common, sin square 2 theta. So if I take minus common here, you will get cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta. So which is 1. So 1 minus 1, which is 0 for this question. Okay, next one more question I am showing. For tan alpha equal to m by m plus 1, tan beta is 1 by 2m plus 1. We have to find tan alpha plus beta. So tan alpha plus beta formula is, first I am writing formula, tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Okay, now I am substituting the value of alpha, tan beta. M by m plus 1 plus 1 by 2m plus 1 by 1 minus m by m plus 1 into 1 by 2m plus 1. So if you take LCM and simplify, means denominator m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. In the numerator part I am doing. Cross multiply means m into 2m plus 1 plus m plus 1. So in the denominator these two will multiply, you will get 2m square plus 3m plus 1, m into 1 minus m by m plus 1 into 2m plus 1. So these two terms will get cancelled. So we will be getting 2m square plus m plus m, 2m plus 1 by 2m square, 3m minus m is 2m plus 1. So both cancels, you will get 1. So alpha plus beta is 45 degrees is the answer for this question. So tan alpha plus beta is 1. Okay. So tan of alpha plus beta value is 1 is the answer. Okay. So thank you for watching.